is equal to f of x plus g of x. Then f of x is x squared plus 4, g of x is 2x plus 1. Then bring down the given number of f of x and g of x. Then copy x squared, then add the two number 4 plus 2x is equal to 6x. Then copy plus 1, and this is your sum.
Hey, good afternoon everyone. I am April Boycol from STI College Corondal, and I'm here to teach you operation of functions in subtraction. Okay, our problem is f of x equal to 5x plus 3 and g of x equal to 3x minus 4 divided by 5x plus 2. Okay, first is we have to arrange the term here. Okay, 5x plus 3 minus 3x minus 4 divided by 5x plus 2. Okay, para ma-remove yung denominator, we have to multiply the denominator to itself. Okay, we go 5x plus 3. Understood naman na yung 5x plus 3 may denominator na 1. Okay, minus 3x plus 4 divided by 5x plus 2 times denominator 5x plus 2. Okay, cancel. Then second is we have to distribute the 5x plus 2 into 5x plus 3. Okay, 5x plus 5x times 5x plus 2, then 3 times 5x plus 2, then minus 3x plus 4. Okay, then calculate 5x times 5x is equal to 25x squared. Then 5x plus 2, 5x times 2 equal to 10x. Then 3 times 5x, then 15x. 3 times 2 equal to 6. Then copy the last term, the minus 3x plus 4. Okay, third is we have to arrange the we have to calculate the term or arrange. Okay, 25x squared plus 10x plus 15x minus 3x plus 6 plus 4. Okay, and the final answer is 25x squared plus 22x plus 10. Okay, next is we're gonna solve g of x minus f of x. Okay, gaya ng kanina, we have to arrange first the terms. Okay, here 3x minus 4 divided by 5x plus 2 minus 5x times 3. Okay, gaya ng kanina ulit, for us to remove the denominator, we have to multiply it by itself. Okay, 3x minus 4 divided by 5x plus 2, then minus 5x minus 3, then times 5x plus 2. Okay, second is we have to arrange the terms 3x minus 4 and 5 minus 5x. Okay, this term we have to distribute this term into this term. Okay, 5x times 5x plus 2, then negative 3 times 5x plus 2, then simplify 3x minus 4, 5x times 5x is equal to negative 25x squared, then negative 5x times 2 equals to negative 10x, then negative 3 times 5x is equal to negative 15, then negative 3 times positive 2 is 6, negative 6. Okay, then next is we have to arrange. Okay, 25x times 25x squared minus 10 minus 15x plus 13x minus 6 minus 4. Then the final answer is 25x squared minus 22x minus 10.
Proceed to the operation function of the multiplication. Here is an example. We have the given here f of x is equals to 2x plus 1, and g of x is x squared minus 4. To solve this problem, f times g of x is equals to f of x times g of x. Now let's bring down the values of f of x and g of x, which is 2x plus 1 times x squared minus 4. Now, how did we get this answer? Now, to get the answer, we'll go with the FOIL method. Okay, now let's put the values down there. 2x plus 1 times x squared minus 4. Now, in the FOIL method, the f is first. So, we'll multiply the first values, which is 2x times x squared. The answer is 2x cubed. Now, let's proceed to the outer of the FOIL, which is the O. Now, outer to outer, 2x times negative 4. The answer on that is negative 8x. Then, the next is the inner on the FOIL, which is positive 1 and positive x squared. Then, we'll multiply these two values. 1 times x squared is equals to x squared. Now, lastly, the last part of the FOIL, which is the 1 and the negative 4. Now, let's multiply these two, which is, the answer is negative 4. Now, what you see is, it's not in order yet. Now, let's put it in order, from the highest exponent to the lowest. 2x cubed plus x squared minus 8x minus 4. Now, as you can see, the answer here is the same as here. Now, this is your answer.
Here is another example of multiplication of function. The formula of multiplication of function is f of x times g of x. The given are x plus 6 times x plus 2. Before we get the answer, we will do the FOIL method. Here is the FOIL method. The first method is x times x equals to x squared. The outer method is x times 2 equals to 2x. The inner method is 6 times x equals to 6x, and the last method is 6 times 2 equals to 12. Before, if you done answer the FOIL method, bring down the x squared, 2x plus 6x equals to 8x. Then bring down the last is plus. This is the answer. This is the product of multiplication.
This is an example of how to divide operation of function of division. So let's start. So f over g x is equal to f of x over g of x. So the f of x is f of x is equal to fx minus 10. Then the g of x is equals to x minus 2. So the f of x is 5x of minus 10, then the g of x is x minus 2, which is there in the right corners. So we need to answer the f of x and the g of x by division. So f over g equal to x is equals to 5x minus 10 over x minus 2. So first we need to copy the numerator of 5, then copy the denominator of x minus 2. So we need to divide the 10 divided by 5. So first copy the x, then 10 divided by 5 is equals to negative 2. So then cancel out these two. So which means the answer is 5. This is how you solve the operational function of division.
Here's another example of dividing functions. F divided by g of x. F of x is 2x plus 10 and g of x is x squared plus 2x minus 15. Now to simplify these two, we must enter the factorization method, which gives us the result of 2 times x minus 5 and x minus 5 times x minus 3. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. Now since these two are alike, we must cancel them out, which gives us the result of only 2 and x minus 3. Now your final answer is 2 over x minus 3.